Oh,
Hello?
hello. Oh.
Hi.
Kiniki. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can. Is your voice okay? Are you sure?
I think I'm okay. Just don't tell Jenma.
Yabai.
Can I ask you another thing?
Yes.
What was your... Because you stayed in Japan for so long, what was your favorite memory?
Favorite memory?
What was your favorite adventure during your time here in Japan?
That's a really good question. I don't know. I have a lot of good memories. I think the day, all the memories spending time with you guys was really fun. Actually, that night that we all went out was a highlight. I remember that night very well.
The yakiniku one?
Yeah.
Where afterwards you went to the arcades and stuff?
Yeah. But I remember dinner as well. That was really fun.
Yeah. Got to know so many people. Yellow team outing.
Yeah.
That one.
Yeah. And
It's
also
good, like having an opportunity to meet so many people at once.
Yeah.
Oh, but didn't you go to Disney with Iris?
Oh, I did. That's
What
true.
about that? Why is that not the first thing coming up in your mind, huh?
Actually,
What's
if you
your
want to know,
favorite?
the first thing that came into my mind was me breaking a table, but
But how? How?
what can I say? I'm just buff rat. I'm just so buff. I'm so swole.
No, that's not true. That's not true. That's not true. I don't believe that. No, you didn't look very buff to me. I guess not.
I have no idea how I broke that table. I just looked back and there was a hole.
Is it out of plastic or what?
No, it was wood.
Wood? I guess it's like a really
Real soft wood.
really thin.
Yeah.
There's certain types of wood that just break really easily.
Yeah.
You're not saying that your favorite memory was your outing with Bayris? I'm shocked.
That's one of them. I mean, here's the thing. I can't choose one favorite. It's so
Yeah.
hard because it was such a
It
long
was a
time.
long time, yeah. Damn.
Yeah.
Well...